Atmosphere AI. With this tool, you can add fog, haze, anything that you want on your scene. First, as you can see, we have fog, layered fog, mist, and haze. For seeing the difference between them, first increase the number of the amount. Boom. And as you can see, we have our fog. You can increase or decrease the number of the brightness of that and depths. Interesting. More depths, less. This is fog. You can use the layered fog. The layered fog creates on the ground. You can increase the amount. You can change the depths. Interesting. This is AI tool. Mist is like a fog. Fog. Mist. It's a little bit thinner than. You can change it and whatever you want on your image, you can choose it. And this is an haze. The haze and the layer fog are the same, but the haze are more dense. And the mist. And you can use the lightness. And the depths. Interesting. That's it. It's very easy. With one click and slider, you can do anything that you want. Or if you don't want the, for example, your fog from here, you can go in mask, brush it, and I think just bring it back. Going to adjustment, amount again, depths. I want to delete, for example, fog from here. If masking, brush, don't forget to erase. And now erase the fog effect from this part, for example. Boom. As you can see, you can create something like this, but it's not very good, but I just might explain what is the mist here. If you want paint again, you can paint this. The red means full effect of these settings. And now you have it. That's it. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.